Good morning, family and friends. A lovely Sunday morning for me, anyway. Beautiful weather here in Cape Town. Um, and Archangel Michael wants us to know that we are having insights that come from spending time on your own, going deep and in meditation and in prayer. He wants us to know that we can manifest everything we want. We must make a wish and we must believe that it's going to come true. Be clear on where you're putting your focus. Stop doubting yourself for once. This is your time, and the angels and spirit guides have got you. You in control of your own light, of your life. And it's time to let go now of these negative energies that hold you back. Allow your light to guide you to the stability that is yours. It's meant to be for you. Stay focused on your dreams. There are new beginnings on the horizon, and we have to embrace it. Set healthy boundaries for yourself. Be thankful for the past, the good and the bad. It's all making you who you are at the moment. And now it's time to talk about it. Let it all out. It will help you to work through these things. You've been through a lot of things in your life, inner turmoil and outer turmoils, arguments and things that are now coming to an end. It doesn't serve you anymore. You are moving to a brighter future. These things made you sick, and it's time for you to let it go. Trust the divine detours. It's helping you move on a new path, to turn the page to your the new you. And your loved ones want you to know that that what does it say? You know in your heart what is the right choice for you, and they say you must dream your world into being. Have a lovely day, everybody. You know I love you very, very much.